Welcome back my channel. The latest electric offering from Honda, the 2026 model of the WN7, marks a bold step into the future of motorcycling. This is Honda's first full-size electric motorcycle, and it brings together refined design, solid performance, and modern tech. Powered by a liquid-cooled electric motor paired with a 9.3 kWh lithium-ion battery, the WN7 delivers a peak output of 50 kilowatts, around 67 horsepower, and 100 Nm of torque, numbers that start to edge into the realm of sporty petrol bikes. From the moment you swing a leg over it, the WN7 projects a futuristic but familiar presence. Without a bulky fuel tank hump, the design is sleek and modern, the battery pack tucked under the midsection becoming a visual centerpiece. Honda describes the design theme as precision of intrinsic design, and you can see the streamlined lines and minimal bodywork giving it a clean silhouette. The chassis is a cast aluminium structure in which the battery pack becomes a load-bearing element, helping lower the center of gravity and maintain the kind of agile handling Honda has built its reputation on. On the performance side, the WN7 isn't about chasing superbike territory, but it offers surprising capability for an electric bike in this class. The full power version hits 0 to 62 mph, 0-100 km/h, in around 4.6 seconds and carries a practical top speed of approximately 80 mph, 129 km/h. The range is quoted at about 140 km, approximately 87 miles, in standard conditions for the full power model, with the learner legal version 11 kilowatts stretching up to about 153 km, 95 miles under WMTC testing. One of the standout features is compatibility with CCS2 fast charging, from 20% to 80% in around 30 minutes, a capability often reserved for electric cars rather than bikes. What this means in daily riding is a machine that blends easy city usability with enough poke for secondary roads and comfortable commuting. The riding position is upright, relaxed, with an 800 mm seat height and a wheelbase of 1,480 mm, dimensions that keep it manageable in traffic while offering confidence when you open it up. For suspension you get a 43 mm USD forks up front, a monoshock at the rear, and a single-sided swingarm, all aligning with Honda's premium build quality. The electronics suite is equally modern. You'll get multiple ride modes: standard, sport, rain, econ, selectable regenerative braking levels via a left-hand paddle, cornering ABS, traction control, and a 5-inch TFT display with smartphone integration via Honda RoadSync. The belt final drive is quiet and smooth, avoiding the chain maintenance that comes with many petrol bikes. Of course, no bike is perfect. The WN7's weight stands at 217.5 kilograms, which is heavier than many midsize petrol-naked bikes. And while the range is solid for an electric bike, it still demands a bit more planning compared to filling a petrol tank. But one of the major draws is the greatly reduced running cost, quiet operation, and immediate torque delivery you get from an electric powertrain. In terms of market significance, the WN7 is more than just another model. It signals Honda's serious commitment to electrification in the two-wheeled space. For riders who want a future-facing machine without giving up the premium feel of a Honda motorcycle, this is a compelling option. If you live in an environment with charging infrastructure and intend to use the bike mostly for urban and suburban riding with occasional open road use, the WN7 stands out. For a YouTube video script, imagine starting with visuals of the bike rolling out, highlight the minimalist yet muscular styling, contrast it with conventional petrol bikes, then dive into the tech, battery, motor, charging, and load the gadgets and ride modes. Then, include realistic commentary about where it fits: daily commuting, city traffic, second bike riders, electric bike early adopters, and mention the practical downsides: weight, range, charging network, so viewers get a balanced view. Close with Honda's broader vision and how the WN7 sets the table for future electric models. All in all, the 2026 Honda WN7 represents a meaningful leap in electric motorcycling from a trusted manufacturer, blending Honda DNA with EV benefits and presenting a package that many riders will want to test.